In the words of Franklin Roosevelt, we cannot always build our future for the youth, but we can build our youth for the future. Greetings to honorable members who is watching me. It's Kajal Soni and I'm here to represent my views on the topic of role of youth in shaping society. Over 65% of India's population is below 35 years of age. And India's youth is contributing to leveraging technology, to entrepreneurship, innovation, and solving the grassroots level problems. Let me share a few examples with you. Recent protest against UPPSC exams and in Haryana of Haryana Staff Selection Commission led by various students pressurize the authority to make some reforms in the education sector. Remember that Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act made in 2019-20. At the time, the protest led by JNU and Jamia students nationwide sparked the youth. Nationwide sparked the rallies and contributed to the debates and discussions ongoing at that time. Youth in the field of education, governance, innovation, technology, everywhere, it's contributing so much. And India's youth is readily available when the nation's on demand. Our Haryana youth is mostly in sports and highlighting the name in global arena. Not only of Haryana, if we remember that recent example of Gukesh, a mere 19 years old boy became the world champion at chess. See, so our youth is contributing so much and setting the examples as a super role model for the upcoming generations to learn from them. But if we see the other side, then our youth is also busy in scrolling reels. Our youth is also busy in consuming drug substances. They are so lazy. Everyone wants instant and easy success, but they do not allow themselves to go through that continuous hard work. They want this, but they do not want to go through all the processes, hard work required for it. And that's why they just have a piece of paper in the name of degree and do not have the adequate skills required to monetize and earn livelihood. Members, greeting every. So the thing is that the person's youth who wants to go through that hard work, do not have optimum resources, do not have awareness about the thing. Many incentives, government have launched a lot of schemes like My Bharat portal and various other things, but they are unaware about it. Government. So we should ensure that government implement them from the grassroots level, then only our India can attain the height. So let's promise as a youth to make our India equitable, green, prosperous and unstoppable. Jai Hind.